You may know Škoda loves cycling. What you may not know is that almost every year students of Škoda Auto Academy take a production car and turn it into a dream car.
So this is the Lauren and Clement 130. It's already the 10th student car. And this time it's based on the Škoda Superb Combi with plug-in hybrid.
So could this be the dream support car at Tour de France?
I think we should find that out. A bike change is the most important role of a support car. So let's try this bike change.
Do you need help?
Yes, I would like to get this change.
It was a piece of cake to take off the bike as it's perfect height, it's easy to take it off, and it's a very smart solution.
So the second challenge is to hand the fresh bidon to the rider.
Do you have any cold drink?
Yes, we have cold ones from the fridge.
Thank you.
So we already had the bike change, we already handed bidons from the fridge. Does this car have any other particular features?
Definitely yes. These sliding doors are really cool, as they don't cause any danger to passing cyclists when opening. Permanent satellite internet connection, so you are always online, even on the back roads in Alps and Pyrenees.
That's very important and definitely useful.
Or these practical radio holders.
I love this car. What a great tribute to Škoda cycling roots and its 130 years long history.
Exactly, and I like the combination of the Škoda's heritage, but also the very smart and clever solutions in the car. You have done an amazing job.